What's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today, this is going to be really important. This one thing is going to help you save time. This is really important if you're using Instagram, you have a lot of direct messages. There is actually a feature called saved replies. It used to be called quick replies. Essentially, all this is templates for your direct messages. So this will save you a lot of time. I was just talking to someone this morning. She is a makeup artist. She is amazing at what she does, but she gets a lot of direct messages, and it's typically the same question all over again. What is your pricing? How much do you charge? How do you work? What are the next steps? And this is really important because if you are in the same position where you're experiencing the same questions over and over and over again, then you need to set up saved replies. Saved replies is going to be located in your direct messages. There's an icon for it right here. The icon is right there. All you have to do is make a template, have some keywords so you can either type in that word and the entire template is going to pop up, or snippet, or you can actually just search for that canned snippet or template. This is going to save you a lot of time. Again, if you are answering the same questions over and over, you need to be using saved replies. It's going to save you a lot of time. It's easy to use, so start using it today. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.